How to get free coin on Ludo King. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to get free coins on Ludo King. Getting free coins on Ludo King is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Daily login bonus. Each day you log into Ludo King, you receive a daily bonus of free coins. Make sure to log in daily to maximize your coin collection. Spin the wheel. Ludo King offers a daily spin the wheel feature where you can spin a wheel to win coin and other rewards. Access this from the main menu. Watch ads. You can earn coins by watching video ads. Look for the option to watch ad in exchange for coins, usually available after game or in the free coin section. Completing mission. Ludo King often has missions or tasks that you can complete to earn coins. Claiming gift. Sometimes Ludo King offers free gift which might include coins. Keep an eye out for notification or pops up within the game that offers such gift. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.